Please like, comment, and subscribe. North Korea is preparing a multiple rocket launcher system aimed at South Korean population centers, according to state media reports following a third test overseen by leader Kim Jong Un. The country's official news agency, Korean Central News Agency, stated that this system, tested twice earlier this year, will replace older weapons once deployed in the coming months. The recent test affirmed the effectiveness and destructive capabilities of the 240mm multiple rocket launcher and its guided shells. North Korea has been intensifying its weapons testing and rhetoric, including authorizing test launches of 600mm multiple rocket launchers in April and short-range ballistic missiles. Kim Jong Un himself participated in military exercises in March, where he showcased a new tank model and emphasized the need for heightened war readiness. Amidst this, North Korea's relations with South Korea and the U.S. remain strained, with Kim warning of the need to prepare for war in response to joint military drills conducted by the U.S., Japan, and South Korea. In December, North Korea reportedly launched a ballistic missile into the sea, shortly after U.S. President Biden issued a stern warning about the country's nuclear weapons program. If you found this video informational, then please comment, like, subscribe, and share.